What's up, guys? So today I'm just going to show you how your seat controls work on your Jeep TJ. So mine's an 01, so the newer versions, the 03 to 06, are going to have a different seat setup. So this is just for the older Wranglers. But real simple. Right here you have your recline, so that'll adjust how far you want it reclined or not. Recline like that, and then just push it to release it back up. You have your you just lift up to go back and forward with the seat there, so just lift up on that. Very simple that way. And then a really cool feature that I really like on these is these little pull tabs. So you can either just pull like this, or you can stick your finger through here and you pull, and it's actually going to lean the seat forward and lift it up and out of the way, so you can then access the back of your Jeep, which is really cool. It's probably one of my favorite features of these seats. They can get way up and out of the way. So then let's see, you're climbing in the back. All you have to do is just pull it back. The back seat will lock, and then you just pull back just like that. Now there is a lever back here for someone sitting back. You just lift that up, push forward, and that is going to also lift it up for you, just like that. So, yeah, so that's just a short little video on how you use all the controls on your TJ seats. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.